Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratika and today I'm back with yet another nail art tutorial, and this one is called the whale nail art. It is super easy to create this one. You just need some water, some toothpick and the right nail polish to create the nail art. It's also really fun to do this, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. So I've already applied my base coat, and for my base color today I'm going to be applying 2 coats of my white polish, and it's called White or White by Faces. Next, I'm going to be using my liquid latex, and I'm going to apply this liquid latex all over my fingers since it's going to create a lot of mess and it's very similar to the water marble nail art. And next, I'm going to be using my main color for today, and it's called Fresh Water by TS Color Police. So you will need a cup of water and also a few toothpicks. So you need to apply a drop of water, and then using the toothpick you can pinch the pattern that is created to create a bow-like pattern, and then just dip your finger in the depression that is created, and this gives you a very pretty veil-like nail art. Since the water already solidifies the nail polish, it is super easy to clean this mess. You will just need a toothpick to remove the excess nail polish. I'm going to be showing this one more time, and this is the first time I actually created this nail art, and it's super easy to create this. I had a fun doing this because you can create different patterns on different nails. And finally, apply a glossy top coat to bring out that shine. So to deck this up a little bit more, I'm going to be using these gold leaves. They come in various different colors, that is golden, silver as well as bronze, and it just gives a very pretty look to your nail art. And also it is super easy to use them. They're a bit fragile, so be careful while you pick them. You can use your toothpick and a clear polish to just deck up your nails. And finally, I'm going to be applying my first time top coat to bring out that glossy look. If you like this video, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and also hit that bell icon to not miss any videos, and let me know in the comment box below what you think of the whale nail art. And that's all for today's video. See you all in the next one.